Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Structures. So structure is a data object that is made up of components of any data type stored one after the other in memory. Structure: customer name, address, street, city. Customer name and address. Name, first name, last name, address, street, city, street, house number, street name, city name, zip code. So structures are useful for painting screen feeds and for manipulating data that has a consistent format defined by discrete number of feeds. A structure may have only one single record at a runtime, but a table can have many records. Creating a structure. Go to Transaction SE11. Click on Data Type option on the screen. Enter the name ZSTR_customer1 and click on Create button. Select the option Structure in the next screen and press Enter. You can see Maintain Change Structure Wizard. Enter the short description. Enter the component field name and component type data element. Here the component name starts with Z as per SAP recommendation. Let us use data elements that we have already created in the database table. You need to save, check and activate after providing all the components and component types. Screen appears. Here ZSTR_customer1 is highlighted. Click the green tick button. This window disappears and the status bar will display the message active. So the structure is now activated as shown. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP structure. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.